Guys, brought my dad up here to the hospital. He's got a kidney stone like I get all the time. He's actually who I inherited them from. It's in our genes and our blood, so I feel bad for little Sean and maybe even possibly Miley as they get older. But yeah, nice rainy day. Is what it is though, right? Let's get some mowing in.
Let's go!
We just got torrential downpour on, boys. Didn't last long, but it soaked us.
to turn it up.
Only brought one backpack out. I did it for a reason though. I got the garage full of crap, and it's getting harder and harder to be able to get the stuff put away, because normally I just back the trailer right in the garage and close it. Well, now that I'm getting it packed and packed full of more and more stuff, I can't get the trailer in there. So now I'm taking the stuff individually every day at the end of the day off the trailer, putting it away. And yeah, it's just a pain in the butt to carry 2 trimmers, an edger, 2 backpack blowers, 2 gas cans, you know, a handheld. So now I'm just bringing out, we got 1 trimmer on the trailer right now because we dropped the other one off at the dealer. I dropped it off up at Belts to get it, just to get the valves adjusted on it. It should be a pretty quick, easy fix, I'm guessing. It'll start up, but it won't stay running. I don't know. So I'll let them guys handle it. The way the things went down last week at the other dealer, it's not like I won't still shop up there, but I figure I'd rather take it down to Belts, and I'd rather pay them to fix it, you know, than give somebody that doesn't appreciate even the slightest bit, you know, purchases in the past. But it is what it is. Tell you what, boys, you want to talk about a weather swing? We went from almost 100 degrees 3 days ago to today it's like 60. Tomorrow's high is 58. Yeah, I'm not complaining though. I like cooler weather. Feels like fall. Even though we're supposed to be back up close to 85, somewhere around there by the middle of this week. This rain, though, I guess is from the remnants of that hurricane or something, a storm off of it or something, I don't know. But yeah, guys, fun little day. I had to take my dad, as you guys already know, to the emergency room. He had a kidney stone. They got him morphined up, got him some pain pills, and sent him home. And then Savannah and the kids went up to see her mom. And then they're picking up some friends to come stay tonight. Sean's having a friend stay tonight, and Miley is. And I went grocery shopping real quick all the way in the back. I hit up Sam's Club and bought a lot more stuff in bulk this time. Just things we're finding out that we like a little better on this whole keto diet, like almond butter and almonds, stuff like that, meats, 80-20% beef, just little things, you know. I didn't go too crazy, only like 170 bucks I think I spent. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a rainy Saturday. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, keep mowing, keep growing, keep making money, boys. I'll talk to you later.